how to put password on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have the Apple Watch Series 9 and you want to put your passcode on it, or you want to turn on passcode, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on or put passcode on Apple Watch Series 9, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on the settings icon. Then on the settings page, just need to scroll down the page until you get to passcode. So keep scrolling until you get to passcode. Then click on it. Once you tap passcode, you should see turn passcode on. Then go ahead and tap that. Then here you should see enter new passcode. So go ahead and type in your Apple Watch Series 9 passcode. Then you should see re-enter passcode again to confirm your passcode. So go ahead and type in the passcode again. Then hang on for the passcode to set, and once the passcode is set, you can just swipe down. Then here you see simple passcode. When this is turned on, Apple Watch unlock with simple 4-digit passcode. Then if you turn this off, then be prompted to re-enter your passcode again. Then type in new passcode. So you can just go ahead, type in your new passcode and then click on OK. Then this is going to turn off your Apple Watch Series 9 passcode, and you will be able to use something more complicated as your Apple Watch Series 9 passcode. So that is basically how to put passcode on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.